Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers, and this is a special video for crude oil and the future for that crude oil. So before we get into that analysis, read my disclaimer carefully. So let's move on to crude oil. So this is the weekly chart. Here what I am showing here, and this is my wave count. So this is that five-way structure. I just kept it as a diagonal pattern. So this is the A. So later onwards, this is a sharp fall, and this is also an impulsive wave. So whether we are taking this as a 1, so this is the 2, this becomes 3. So this triangle is a 4, and one more. I will show you that. Yeah, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is becomes a five-way structures to the downside. It's already completed. So this is also looking like an wedge formation or what. Anyway, that it's a 5 waves is got over here. But for me, it's looking like it's maybe look like a five-way structure as I marked this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But maybe this we can label it as because of a correction and it's already reached the 0. So maybe this could be a wave. So followed by ABC is a W. So this whole thing becomes a A. So this is the B and this is the C. So in that category, I will show you, I will hide this thing and I will show you in that screenshot. One second. Yeah, it's a little bit better. And hide all those things. Just I will, one second. I need to, one second. Yeah, now it's a screenshot. Here, yes. So this becomes a, this becomes a B, this becomes a C, right? So later onwards, this becomes the whole B because we took it this as a 1, 2. Sorry, one second. Yeah, 1, 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. This is the 5. And later onwards, we will just this as a connecting wave as a triangle. And here also it's a five-way structure. One second, we will change the color. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is a one set correction is got completed. So whether this could be a, this could be a W, this could be an X, and we are waiting for that Y wave to complete. So in that also, here it's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 1A is got completed. It's a A. So now what I'm expecting is a B wave. So from here it's already did a one second. Yeah, I will change the color. One simple correction is got completed. It's a ABC that we know very well. And here also in the shorter time frame, I will show you the shorter time frame. So what I'm looking here, it's a little bit one more irregular flat formation, and then again it will be continue like this kind of wave formation I'm expecting. So this is I'm expecting. So this is the B wave, and we will make it this as a blue, and later onwards next blue color I'm expecting a 1 5-way structure. So this whole thing becomes, this is the A, so this is the B, and I'm looking for that C way to the downside. But whether, see, this is what, whether it is again going to zero or whatever it is, but that is not our view. Look at this, what we have to do in the future. That is my view here. So what I'm looking for here is, one second, yeah, this is the A, this is the B, and I'm looking for the C wave. So we no need to avoid this, we need to trade this in the long. So what is that conclusion I'm getting in this means, I always related, see, 1 second, and I will tell you this also. So one thing, this is the uh, one, right, the wave one. 1 second, yes, sorry, yeah, this is the wave one. As per this could be a wave two, right, and this whole thing becomes a 3, 4 and 5. So in any way, the 5-way structure, if we are not kept this as a and this as a B and looking for the C, the alternative wave count is, whether this is a 1 2 3 4 5, the 5-way structure is got completed. So after the 5-way structure, we are looking for the 3-way structure, right? So anyway, I'm looking for the 3-way structure. Nearly the minimum is $100. I'm expecting the previous resistance zone. Near this zone I'm expecting. So what will drive this crude? So I will show you one, see how I'm looking and how I'm analyzing the market for the crude. It's something correlated to something, that is what I'm looking for, that is that Nifty. So it may be the whole global market, that's if when the stocks move high, crude is also following that. So this is my observation, and once the stocks fell, the crude also fell. So this is my, see, this is the corona drop, stocks all fell, this is also went to zero. After that, it's a now all historic new high, but this is also making a high and it bounced. So this is my observation. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll just place my Nifty chart. You can do it any, but I'm not following that SPX or NASDAQ, whatever it's SPX or NASDAQ. I'm not following that, but just I will explain this how it works. See, that orange is Nifty. I will explain here also. Once this fall here, this is also a fell, right, and this is the Nifty went high, even the crude is also went high. But here is the one conclusion, right, whenever it is in that consolidation period, it is keep rising here, and once here is the controversy, even though if it is making a new higher high, it is not able to make a new high. But even though once it fell, it also fell like a rock, and later onwards it went high. It is in consolidation mode, and it fell, and again it did the same thing. So now it did a new historic high, it is also keep going on. So what I understood, what my observation is, my target in the Nifty, it's nearly 20,000 and above. So let's move on to the individual. I'm just deleting all those things. I will moving to the Nifty. So only if I going through that, even you can compare it to my US 30 also. My target is US 30 is above 40,000 and above. So now in that weekly chart, I will come to a conclusion for the Nifty. We are in the third wave, and I already informed that, and I have already posted that my review. Nifty is going to that 50,000, sorry, 20,000 mark, and Bank Nifty is going to make a 50,000 mark. So in that means, I will just unhide This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. It's all completed here. The one bigger structure of wave 1 or A, it could be. So 1 or A. So this drop is a B or 2. Right? And we are in the third wave or C wave. So in that manner, if you daily go through the daily, here it's a 1 again. It could be a 1 also here. It's a leading diagonal of 1. And again, this is the another 1. We will make it to the red color. So this is the 2. And this leading diagonal, I mark this as a 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are in this fifth wave. It will reach to complete that nearly 18,500 to 19,000 or 20,000. Maybe it could extend it because it's keep going on non-stop, and the correction is also only 23.6. and I'm doing that also for the Nifty daily pre-market predictions. You just go through that, and it's keep extending, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just riding and enjoying this moment. If you are following of my 2 months, I started that pre-market predictions. So while it is keep going on and climbing, my target is nearly 20,000, 18,500 to 20,000, means crude also going to that $84. So from here in the 1 hour chart, I'm looking for that fourth wave here, the intermediate fourth wave. So at that time, see, this is the longer picture. What I'm trying to explain here is sometimes crude fall and Nifty can go high also. But in the longer term, what I'm expecting here is some bigger consolidations for this 1, 2, 3, 4. And once this is completed, I'm expecting a bigger consolidation for that fourth wave. So this is the one. Previous I took it, this whole thing become a 1. But now I'm again changed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the become 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are on that fifth wave. So again I'm looking for the 20,000. This is the target. So in this period, right? So what I'm trying to explain here, it's we are in the third wave. So once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything, the 5 wave is got completed, I will again going to that daily chart. For example, in the weekly chart, from 0 to 1 at the rejection to the 1618 or equal. So if we kept this as a equal also, the 19,549, but I'm expecting above that. So nearly if it comes to this zone, whether this is a B or C, or this could be 1, 2, 3, anyway I'm looking for this zone. So minimum target is I'm looking for that 20,000. So it could, what I'm trying to explain here is, you will just go through that US oil here in the daily, and it looks like here some consolidation is going on after the 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what it will do is, in my bias, it can go high also. It will took all the stop loss here, and it will reach up to the $81. So that is the 1272 zone to make a irregular flat formation, and then again it may consolidation. So for the B wave, so what kind of B wave it will do? Either it could be a irregular flat or it could be a triangle, running triangle. So it's already did that same pattern in this zone. So this is the bigger smaller 5-way structure, so it's already did here. So once if it is, I'm looking for, this is a ABC, we need a bigger structure, but it did the 5-way structure here. So the whole thing becomes now A. So B, I'm looking for this kind of price action, whether it could be an irregular flat, but this correction took nearly 1 year. It's 13th June 16, 2016, and here is the end of the triangle. So it's nearly 31 August. So nearly 1 year and 2 months, it's already did the correction here in this zone. So it will took more time here also. Maybe what I'm trying to explain is maybe everything. It's a maybe only. Not I'm not 100% sure in this financial market. We can expect, right? So I'm not trying to do sell or buy until there is a conclusion, because the 1 5 year structure is got completed means we are in that correction only. The bigger correction is going to ahead. So now this 20th April last year, and this is the 12th July. It's a 1 year. 1 year is impulsive, so it will took minimum 1 year for the correction in my view. Otherwise 6 months at least for the 38.2 or 50% retracement. If it is an irregular flat also, it could took more time how it took here in this zone, here in this zone. So same kind I'm expecting here. So this could be the consolidation zone for me. It could break the high also, even though I'm expecting the 81, and again I'm expecting a bigger consolidation here, and I'm expecting only one more high. And it is also what I'm trying to explain, once the Nifty it's making a new higher high, it is not did here. I will show you that again, the compare of Nifty. So here this is also a consolidation and it is making a new higher high, but it could be again doing the same thing here also. Once we come to a conclusion, the 5 year structure could be the start of the new impulsive wave or end of the trend also for the C wave. So again, why I am confusing that? It could be a starting. What I am telling as it is an impulsive way. I'm looking for the buy. So anyway, what we are looking here is we need to break this high. Then only we come to a conclusion. Okay, it is making an irregular flat formation. But until it is not breaking this high, and here also it is failed a lot of times. Even though Nifty it's making a higher high, it could be make like that also, and again it may fail. So if it fell, what is that means? See, in the Fibonacci extension, this wave exactly we are in that 181. What I'm trying to explain, that 81.50. So this wavelength also it's equal to here. So then we can, if what I'm making this as a W, this as a X, right? So it could be ABC is a ABC is a B, and C it could be a flat correction also, and later onwards it could be a downtrend also. So it all depends upon this wave formation I'm looking here. So only if it breaks, I will come to the conclusion, and I will anyway we are doing the weekly analysis, I will inform that. But right now just I got a correlation with how I'm doing that, I need to share with you. That is why I'm making this video. So in that stocks, what I'm expecting a new historic high nearly for the Nifty and US 30, everything it is going to make a boom, and crude is also going to make a nearly $100. The previous resistance zone it could possible, but that is not the destination. It could all depends upon, like this kind of wave formation can also happen. What we are expecting that Nifty, if it fell nearly for the fourth wave, it's nearly 38.22 retracement, it could be a fell again with the 50% also. So we need to watch the wave formation here, then only we come to a conclusion. So this is my video. It's a brief analysis, the correlation to my Nifty and the US oil, how I traded from the past 5 years in my commodities. I'm just correlating with that before the 2 years only. So hope you enjoyed and it helped you for that crude path. So trade safe, and you can enjoy that haha moment in coming days if you are in that right side of the market. So thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow in our weekly analysis for forex pairs as well as commodities, Bitcoin, US 30. So thanks for watching, and have a nice weekend too. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye.